it's time. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are the stock LED backup lights in these LED aftermarket taillights, which we could definitely do better than that. So let's go ahead and pull one off and see what we gotta do. Alright, so take it out. You just kind of want to take out your 2 bolts that are holding in your taillight. Alright, and then from there, just go ahead and pull out the taillight. Let's go ahead and open this up. Look at that difference. It's a pretty good difference. See, we've got the LASFIT lights. Definitely much brighter, and the factory lights. Now, since these are tinted lenses, they aren't going to be super bright, but these definitely let out a lot more light, which that's awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and double check our work. I'll show you guys just how well these things work. Check that out. So that probably took me less than 5 minutes to do, and my visibility is going to be just that much better. So I just got to send a huge shout out to LASFIT for sending these things to me. These are going to be awesome. Right now, all I got to do next is go ahead and put their decal they sent me right here, and I'll be all good. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos of my twin turbo 350Z or my Duramax, please subscribe. I make videos on these as often as I can. And with that being said, if you'd like a pair of these LASFIT lights, obviously there's nothing in here right now, but I'll link their website down in the description so you can order yourself a pair, because they're just absolutely phenomenal and it's a really easy thing to do. With that being said, drop a like on this video, comment down below, please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, take care, and have a nice day. See you guys in the next one. Peace.